5M. Okay, no, this is priceless, you know. Naiiyak ako kasi... Okay, ito yun. Etong top na to. Maiiyak talaga.
Kwento. What about this top? Okay pa, Mai?
Ay, ano ba yun? Oo. For 5M. Okay, no, this is priceless, you know. Naiiyak ako kasi ito yung top na ginamit ko nung nag-audition. No, hindi ko talaga.
Iyakin talaga itong baby girl namin.
Iyakin talaga ako.
Super.
Hindi ko nga alam yun. Kaya nga oo. So, eto na nga. So, etong top ang ginamit ko nung nag-audition ako for Bubble. And God knows na hindi ko in-expect na I would ever be part of Bubble Gang. Kasi parang never ko nakita yung sarili ko as a comedian. Yung mga gano'n, yung nakakatawa or something. But you know, ngayon part na ako ng Bubble Gang. Unexpectedly yun. And I really believe na there's always a reason why I'm part of this family. And that reason is para mas gumaling pa ako sa craft ko, makilala ko yung ibang cast that became my family na talaga. Kaya super grateful ako. At ito yun, wala. As in, kakagising ko lang, sinend sa akin na, ay, may audition ka for Bubble. Sabi ko, shucks, 30 minutes na lang. So, sinuot ko lang talaga siya. Ganun.
This is the lucky, lucky top.
Oo, as in. Tapos, hindi ko pa memorize yung mga scripts. Sabi ko, shucks, paano na lang, bahala na. But you know, I did it. And this is a good reminder to everybody na what's meant for you will always be there and find you talaga. Nako, buti na lang batang Bubble ka! Kaya hatid namin ang grand 30th anniversary concert ng multi-awarded gag show na Bubble Gang! Kaya bawal ang FOMO! Abangan ang updates tungkol sa big event na to by visiting gmanetwork.com.